Hello everyone. If you're looking for a term insurance and LIC is one of your shortlisted candidates, then you have come to the right place. In the previous video series, we have explained you everything you should know about LIC Tech Term Plan 854, which is the online term insurance. I have explained you the eligibility criteria, the features, the benefits, the pros and cons, everything. If you have missed that, click on the I button at the top or in the description to watch that. In today's video, I'll tell you how you can purchase the policy online. I'll give you detailed information along with the documents which are required so that you can complete everything in one sitting and issue the policy. So keep watching and please remember to like, subscribe and share the channel if you find it useful. Hi, I'm Nishant and welcome to Save More Money. Let's get started. So guys, before you sit for filling the form, here are the list of documents and type of formats and the size which you should have for each of these documents. Once you have them handy, we can get started.
Go to buy a new policy. Here you have to go to term insurance and select 854 Tech Term Policy, buy online. Click to buy online, click on this particular button, and these are the documents which are required. Click on proceed button. So first is the COVID information. Has a person been diagnosed with COVID? So yes, no, whatever. I'll select no. Fill in the basic details. So once you have filled in all the details, click on this checkbox, click on the second checkbox, and the third one, I consciously choose to bypass the suitability module. Don't click on this. Let's see how it works. And then click on proceed. So it will generate an access ID, which is your application ID, and it will generate an OTP. So once you have entered that, it will route you to the main page. So you then have to start filling all the other details. So fill in all the details. Product is product 854. You can put in your value, how much sum assured you want. So maybe I want a 3 crore policy. I am a non-smoker. I want regular payment of premium, and premium will be paid on an yearly basis. I want a policy for 15 years. So premium paying term, I want 15 years. Death option, I want a level sum assured, and my policy will start on the current date, which is today's date. So this is the personal information. Rider benefit, I do not want any rider benefit. If you want to opt for that, you can mention the value, but for me I'll keep it as no. Police personal, no. So I'll calculate the premium. So basis this, my total premium comes to 39,719 every year for a period of 15 years. So I confirm and proceed. After that, it will ask you to do the KYC. So I went with proceed without KYC. So here you have to fill in all the details related to these: address, basic info, occupation, address info, additional info, previous policy, family history, medical, death benefit, nomination, etc. So let's start filling the details. Then it will ask you for some PAN number, and proceed. So next is occupation details. Any of the occupation are applicable. So generally these are no, select no, but you can check all of these here. So save and proceed. The application is 50% complete. Additional information. So objective of risk is pure risk. Income proof is, you can put your salary certificate or bank account statement. I think IT return or bank statement should be fine. Back tax bracket you can keep accordingly, whatever is the value. If you have taken any loans, you can mention the details here. Do not try to hide any information on this page. So please fill in all the details to the best of your knowledge and proceed. Do you have any existing life insurance policies? If yes, you click this particular value as yes. If no, then you can select no. So maybe let's see what happens if we click yes, add previous policies. So if I have a policy number of 323221, maybe HDFC life insurance policy of term of 15 years, sum assured 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 crores. Term assurance is 2 crore. Date of commencement, maybe it started 5 years back, so 01-01-2017. Term accepted ordinary rate, medical was done, medical current status in force. So just submit the form. Plan code required, so you can just say some value you can give. You can check the plan code, it will be available in your form, and you can, so it shows the previous policy is added. You will have to close this here. It will show you if you, and you can see the values here. If you want to delete, you can delete here. Then previous insurance details. Do you do any of the following questions regarding current proposal or previous policies apply? So by default the answer should be no, but let's see. Is your life now being proposed for another insurance or an application for revival? If you are planning to buy another insurance along with this or another place you have already applied, select this as yes. So if I put this as yes, so I have given the details here, and then it asks for the family history. Has any family member been diagnosed with diabetes and other things? So you can accordingly answer. Then it will ask you for medical details. Do you smoke, alcohol consume, and etc etc. So if you say yes to alcoholic drink, then it will ask you quantity. So maybe alcoholic drink 90 ml, you can say per week. Narcotics, you can say no. Any other drugs, you can say no. Tobacco in any form, no. Have you ever been advised to stop consumption? No. State of health, you can centimeters, 73 kgs. Are you in good health? Yes. Do you have any health issues, any ailment or injury? If you have, you can put in yes, otherwise no. Spouse received any, have your spouse ever received or at present availing undergoing medical advice? You can just mark, first you'll have to select yes or no, so you can mark it as no if the answers are no. Have you lost more than 10 kgs in the last 6 months? No. Have you undergone or been advised to undergo any test, surgery, hospitalization, or suffered with any of the following as mentioned? If yes, please give the details. So hypertension and all. Let's see, let's click on yes. There was an accident, and if you have any rod inserted in the body, you can give the details here. So nature of disease, medical condition, accident, rod inserted, no further follow-up required. So you can fill in the details, they will be added here. So similarly, any other thing, you can just update the details, be true, be honest, and then save and proceed. You will not be able to go to the next page, and this is a bug. So the trick here is that there is some bug on the page, I believe on the alcoholic drinks section. So what I have done is, first I have selected no for everything here. I have selected no, 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 no. In the remaining I have filled in correctly. Are you in good state of health? Yes. Any issues? No. And then medical history? Yes. And I have filled in the details here which I explained earlier. And I save and proceed. So if I save and proceed, you can see that the browser is moving on and it has gone to the next page. Now I go back, click on the medical again, and now I say yes here, and then alcoholic drink, yes. So maybe 90 ml once, 90 ml once a month vodka. So, and have you been ever stopped consumption? Yes, no. So mine is no. I just select no manually in each of these again. Then this is okay, this is okay, this will be no, and then this will be yes, and the answer here is yes. So I filled in the details properly. Now let's see what happens when you save. It will go to the next page. So this is a bug which you need to sort. So then once you complete that, the next is death benefit payment details. Do you wish to avail option to take death benefit in installment under the proposal policy? So yes or no. I do not want in installment, so I'll say no and I'll move on. Bank account details, so this is sorted out. Next is nominee details. It takes care of this page. Next it will go to corona related questions. So once you have completed all these things, I think your document is filled. So you can just go through all these things and click on I agree. Once you're done here, you will be asked to post all the documents. So the maximum size for photograph and signature should be 300 KB, and for the others it should be 3 MB. Photograph and signature should be in JPG PNG format, and others can be in PDF format and other formats. So you have to start uploading photograph and signature, PAN card, income card, and address proof. So once you will have to start uploading the documents, you can click on this photograph and maybe I don't know if I have any photograph which is less than 300 MB. Let's see. Okay, so this is uploaded. For signature, again you will have to upload some document. So we have uploaded here. Then you start uploading the other documents. Photo and signature is done, so yes, you uploaded the document. Select proceed. Okay, so it is saying financial eligibility last 3 financial years, so it has asked me to upload the documents related to service. So service I can upload. I have form 16, I have salary slips. I do not have the documents, so I have form 16. Proceed. You have to start uploading the form 16. Then do you want to upload form 16? Yes. FY form 16. Income tax return form 26 says this is for the last 3 or 4 years, so you have to upload accordingly. This can be 3 MB. Let's see if it's uploading. Okay, so it's uploading, and similarly you update all the other documents and proceed. Now here you can see what is the proposal. You can edit your proposal and you can proceed to pay. So then click on the pay. When you go and click on the pay, it will give you a disclaimer, and then once you click on this and proceed, it will route you to the payment page. So this is on the payment page. Now what happens once you complete the payment? Let me show that to you as well. And here, this is the application tracker which you will be observing. So you can check the event tracker to find out what happens. So the date payment was made and when the access ID was created, proposal registration date, TPA intimation, third party for medical checkup, medical reports were received after 1 month, and then underwriting escalation add-in the escalation finding out why it's not being done, and then final requirement received on 26/9, policy completion, policy mail. So it took approximately 1 month for me for everything to be done, even though my medical had happened within 2 days, 3 days of the policy purchase. You do not find any place to raise any customer ticket or complaint. So if you want to go, you have to go to queries and raise the tickets. So I've raised 2-3 tickets. What's the status of my policy and what's the status and all those things, and then they will drop you an email with the updates and all those things. So this is how it works. All in all, take approximately 1 month. But if your medical is done, if you have submitted all the documents correctly, and if you have been honest and given all the details while filling the form, then you should be able to get the policy. No problems in that. I hope you found the video useful, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, this is Nishant signing off. Bye. Take care. Tada.